you got me smiling at my phone, it's over with. Once I'm smiling at my phone, it's over with. Once I'm in the gym and I check my phone to see if you message me, it's over with. Once I wake up in the morning and I want to see, like, if you says it's done, I'm smiling ear to ear, you got me, period. It's over. It's done with. I don't want you talking to nobody, looking at nobody, loving nobody, sharing nothing with nobody. I don't even want you to share a cold drink to somebody on the side of the road. That's my water. It's my water, not yours. Fuck them, period. I'm working on my possessiveness. I really am. I know I can be possessive, but I'm working on it. You know, I find other things to do.